Lakhani. Mr. Arun Lakhani is Chairman and Managing Director of Vishwaraj Infrastructure Limited. They are pioneers in developing and implementing PPP projects in urban water and wastewater. Passionate about a scarce resource water, he advocates reuse of sewage for industrial use to save fresh water for people and agriculture. His company is developing largest IPP project in sewage treatment with reuse of treated water as the basic objective. He's also leading his team in implementing 24/7 water distribution project for the city of Nagpur, which got the best practice citation by the Prime Minister of India recently. VIL is also doing 24/7 projects in Pimpri Chinchwad and also five towns of Karnataka. We'll hear from Pimpri Chinchwad tomorrow. He's also chairman of Maharashtra Badminton Association and Runadhar Trust, also a member of BRLF, and has been an active member of industry bodies like CII, FICCI, and SOCHM. Mr. Lakhani, please.
Thank you, Mr. Barara. Good morning, friends. I first congratulate the organizer to take this topic, specific topic of sewage and wastewater treatment. Generally, we see the conferences are generally revolving around the drinking water issue, which is also a major problem for our billion-plus country. So today, unfortunately, still the thought process is attracted towards the dire situation, the urgency of giving water to millions of people. Like in Maharashtra, what we are seeing that a train loads, first time in the history of Maharashtra, is being sent for drinking purposes. 144 section has to be implemented to protect the water tankers from people. So this brings in the basic question, I mean, like, why this situation have come? You see, if we see India, we are not one of those Kazakhstan or the coastal Iran where there is no water. We fortunately, like we used to call ourselves Sujalam Suflam, we have such a, abundance of natural resources. Like you can see in this chart, we have almost more than 1100 billion cubic meter of usable water, maybe distributed unevenly across our geography. We are a large country. So we may have larger, rainfall in some areas and some scarcity in the another. But still, we are not a country which should reach to a situation where we have to, have our society live by train load of water. Somewhere we have gone wrong. I think this calls for, an introspection and particularly looking at sewage as a resource of water, as a source of water and not just as a waste that we need to treat. Coming back to this availability of water, if we see, like one more thing I would like to add, what has changed. When we were at the time of independence, probably we were 37 crore, now we are 120 crores. We were predominantly agricultural economy, now we are industry and service industry economy. We were predominantly rural, but now we are 37% urban and growing fast. So the stress that this transformation of the society has put on us and on our resources has led to a situation where we see that we are pumping out 38,000 million liter per day of sewage untreated into nature. Now, this is unseen because you see, if I don't get water in the morning, I will go call my corporator, he will call someone, and then I will get my water. But if my sewage is going untreated for years together, I have no way to know as a citizen, and I will probably not care till the time